Hi, I'm Tenika. I'm a co-owner of the Chocolate Factory at West Gosford, and we've been working with Missing Link for about 12 months now. Missing Link are helping us with email marketing, social media ads and content. So before we started working with Missing Link, we found it really difficult to find professional, suitable people to do the job that we needed. Just the level of professionalism out there, we think Missing Link are top notch. Some of the goals that we had when we found Missing Link that we wanted to achieve was being seen, people knowing that we're here. You know, a lot of people didn't know that we were here, even though we tried hard. Since being with Missing Link, we've achieved so much more. Some of the results working with Missing Link over the last 12 months are revenue compared to this time last year is up by 30%. Each month we average reaching over 90,000 people.